Hey G Squad, welcome back to episode of Is It Worth It? So for today's episode, this cool menu bar right here, and basically what this is a cell phone ring holder. So all you guys need to do is just stick this onto the back of your case, and you guys actually use this as a stand, and you guys also use like a ring holder as well. So I'm going to open up and show you guys what the product looks like first. Alright, so when you guys take it out, you can see that this is basically what it looks like. So they give you guys an instruction manual to teach you guys how to set up and how to use it. And then right here is basically the product. So they provide you guys some wet wipe right here that you can use to clean off your case or whatever before you guys apply it on. And right here they provide you guys some 3M tape that you use to stick it onto your case. And last but not least, we have the actual product right here, if you can see. So all you need to do is stick the back part right here onto your case. And then once you guys do that, you guys actually use like a ring holder, just like this. Just put your fingers through here and hold the phone. Or you can use like a stand as well. So I'm going to show you guys how to install it first. So first thing I want to do is to get the wet wipe right here and wipe down your case first to make sure it's clean. Just like this. And just wipe down the back of your case to make sure it's clean before you guys apply it on. So once you guys finish that, you can get like a piece of paper and wipe it down to make sure it's dry before you guys apply it on. Alright, so once you guys finish that, then you actually stick it on. Alright, so you want to stick it on like this. It doesn't really matter how you guys stick it on because it is a 360 rotatable ring holder. Alright, so when you guys open it up, this is basically what it looks like. And like I mentioned, it is 360 rotatable, so you can go like this to move it around if you guys want to. And you guys definitely go up and down like this if you guys want to as well. And you guys also use that as a stand as well, which I'll show you guys in a second. And once you guys finish installing the product, they tell you guys to remove this film right here because it is a magnetic option right here. So if you guys have like a magnetic car mount, you can definitely use that option right here. Alright, so once we take it out, you can see that that is basically what it looks like. So when you guys are using the product, you can definitely use it like a ring holder like this to hold your phone like that if you guys want to. Or you can put it down on a table and use it as a stand as well. So it should look something like that if you didn't see. So that way it's actually washed up on here like maybe Netflix or something, which is pretty cool. And when you're done, just fold it back up like this. And then it's all set. And that's literally so space saving and compact, so it actually saves a lot of space. It doesn't really stick out too much other than that little part right there. But that is basically everything that's on the product. Now to unboxing and testing the product. Now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for this product in particular, I would definitely have to say that it is super worth it if you guys want one or need one of these. Especially if you guys want everything that I mentioned on here, the fact of how it works as a ring holder option, the fact of how it works as a stand, and also the fact of how it actually has the magnetic option in the back. So that way if you want to stick it onto your car phone mount, then you can definitely do that as well. But then obviously for those guys who don't want, or don't need one, or have to run these, then obviously don't buy one and save the money for something else that actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.